spoke wheel on it. 1926 was the first year that we had steel wheels or wire spoke wheels. See, like I said, there's sometimes a little problem right there. Now we use college, and this is called a commercial Model T. What we mean by that is this is all the body you get. A lot of farmers bought these, and then they could people have or they put beds on them, all nails, or no cans, or whatever. But this is the cheapest car that you could buy for Henry Ford. Now there's a lot. There's 2 minutes now. Sam said they're doing pretty good. Also, this is the car that they started to use a lot of chrome and nickel. Now the steering wheel is a little on. This morning we had to go backwards a little bit, but we learned that. Now it's not correctly. It looks like the radiator's coming out, and then we're going to put water, and now there's a lot of things that are going to happen underneath the hood. This car made about 24 miles a gallon. Today, not too many cars make 24 miles a gallon. There's what we buy like I said, there's the cheapest one. There's Missouri, Roadster, local gas pickup, Scoops, two-doors, and center-door cars. It's been, right now, in 3 minutes, so it's pretty close. I don't think you're done in 17 seconds, but they'll be under 4, I believe. We had a little problem starting this morning. That's why we did 11 to put the water in. It's been 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Steel billboard is going to be driving it. There's a lot of stuff to do under the hood. This is 3 minutes and 30 seconds. When we started, this has got a manual spark advantage to it. Like your cars now, they have that basic automatic. This was the first basic advantage, or last import of a manual spark advantage. Ford has